Need to change your Wi-Fi password or check connected devices or set up parental control? Let's log in to your Cox Router's admin panel in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Find default login credential. Locate default login IP address. Username and password printed on the sticker backside or bottom side of Cox Modem. Step 2. Connect to your router or modem. First, connect your Cox router to the computer or phone using Ethernet cable or using Wi-Fi. Step 3. Open the Cox Modem admin page. Now open web browser and access 192.168.0.1 and use admin username and password to login. To change wireless SSID name, go to Wireless tab from top menu. Change 2.4 GHz wireless SSID and 5 GHz wireless SSID and press Save button. Now change wireless security key. Go to Wireless, then Security tab. Change security key for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band and save settings. Step 4. Change admin password. Go to Administration tab from top menu. Then go to User tab. Change password and re-enter new password. And save settings. That's it. You have successfully logged in to Cox Router or modem and change Wi-Fi, SSID, and password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more tech guide. Thanks for watching.